Hello, I'm Fatini, and today I will present you the Aram Acoustics Bridge Dynamic XL. This is a complete blending violin pickup system that comes in two parts. The pickup sensor and microphone combo that I place on my violin, and this cute little box that adds extra functionality. Powered from a 9-volt battery, this little preamplifier box also provides the necessary power for the pickup sensor and the microphone to work. As for the sensor and microphone combo, it clips on the violin rib. It is very lightweight and does not harm my violin at all. It is totally removable and I can use it on every violin I own. Part of this video offers a real-time comparison between the well-known DPA4099 microphone and the microphone of the Aram Acoustics Bridge Dynamic XL. So let's try it. In this part of the video, we test the attack and response of the Bridge Dynamic XL system and the overall bow percussiveness at various blending settings. Besides recording a studio usage, Bridge Dynamic XL works true miracles during live performances and is exceptionally feedback resistant, even in extremely loud environments. Moreover, what is really impressive with this violin pickup system is its ability to adapt to any particular violin sound. The preamplifier's extra functions, like the body control, allows you to make finer judgments in order to tailor your amplified sound to your violin's particular sound. For more detailed info and even more samples, feel free to visit www.aramacoustics.com. Thanks for watching. Bye!